I'd like to welcome all of you here. It's the third time I've come here since the problem started, and it has been a tremendous tragedy. Frankly, I was expecting some improvement in the situation, but I was quite disappointed to see that the situation is still nowhere near what it should be. I visited the camps and heard the people there, heard their pain. I came here to listen to them, to build confidence in them, and as somebody who's in the opposition, to try and apply pressure on the government so that it acts. Here, the need of the hour is peace. Violence is hurting everybody. Thousands of families have been harmed, property has been destroyed, family members have been killed. And I have never seen anywhere in India what is going on here. The state is completely split in two, and it is a tragedy for everybody involved. I want to tell all the people of Manipur, I come here as your brother. I come here as somebody who wants to help you, who wants to work with you to bring back peace in Manipur. And I am ready to do whatever I can. Congress Party is ready to do whatever it can to bring back peace here. We had a conversation with the governor, and we expressed to the governor that we would like to help in whatever way we can. We also expressed our displeasure, and we said that we are not happy with the progress that has taken place here. I don't want to go further into politicizing this issue. It's not my intention. As I said, I come here as a brother, as a family member, and I understand that the entire Manipur, all of it, is in pain, is suffering, and needs to get out of this suffering as soon as possible. So that's my message. I would request everybody to think about peace, to think about brotherhood, and violence and hatred is not going to get any solution. So if we can start to think about peace, start to think about affection, it will be a very, very big step for Manipur. Congress Party and me are available. Anytime you want me to come here, you want me to come here 5 times, 10 times, any amount of times you want me to come here, I'm happy to come here, and I'm happy to listen to what you have to say and try and help you as leader of the opposition. Thank you very much. I want to be very clear about the message I'm giving here. I don't want to, go into questions and answers. The clear message I'm giving here is that we've come here to listen to the people of Manipur. The people of Manipur need to be heard. They are in pain, they are in suffering, and the Indian government and everybody who considers himself a patriot must reach out and embrace the people of Manipur and bring peace to Manipur. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
हिंदी में थोड़ा सा कह देता हूं. मैंने सोचा था कि अब मैं आया हूं, काफ़ी समय बाद आया हूं, तीसरी बार है. 1 साल पहले आया था, फिर भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में आया और अब आया हूं. मैंने सोचा था कि ग्राउंड पे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, मगर दुख की बात है कि वो इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ. कैंप्स में मैं कम्युनिटी से मिला, उनके दिल की बात सुनी, दर्द आंखों से देखा, सुना, और मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि नफ़रत और हिंसा से आगे कोई रास्ता नहीं बनेगा। मोहब्बत से, भाईचारे से, रिस्पेक्ट से सोल्यूशन निकल सकती है, बातचीत से सोल्यूशन निकल सकती है। मैं राजनीतिक बात करने नहीं आया हूँ। गवर्नर से हमारी बात हुई, हमने उनको बताया कि देखिए जो भी हम कर सकते हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी कर सकती है, मैं कर सकता हूँ, हम करने के लिए तैयार हैं। मगर हम खुश नहीं हैं, जो प्रोग्रेस हुई है उससे हम खुश नहीं हैं, क्योंकि हमें नहीं लगा है कि प्रोग्रेस हो रही है। आखिरी बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, और मैं प्रधानमंत्री से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, मणिपुर एक प्रदेश है और प्रधानमंत्री को बहुत पहले विजिट करना चाहिए था, मगर मणिपुर को ज़रूरत है कि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ आए और जो यहाँ हो रहा है उसको समझने की कोशिश करें और जनता की जो आवाज़ है, जनता का जो दुख है, दर्द है, उसको सुने। इससे बहुत फ़ायदा होगा, मणिपुर की जनता में कॉन्फिडेंस आएगी। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्रधानमंत्री को यहाँ आना चाहिए। मणिपुर के लोग भी चाहते हैं, शायद पूरा देश चाहता है कि प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ आकर जनता की बात सुने। अंग्रेजी में भी बोल देता हूँ, आई फील दैट it is important that the Prime Minister come here, listen to the people of Manipur, try and understand what is going on in Manipur. After all, Manipur is a proud state of the Indian Union, and it's very important that the Prime Minister, especially, even if it wasn't a tragedy, even if there was no tragedy, the Prime Minister should have come to Manipur. And in this huge tragedy, I request the Prime Minister to take 1 day, 2 days of his time and just come and listen to the people of Manipur. It will comfort the people of Manipur, and we are, as the Congress party, ready to support anything that would improve the situation here. Thank you very much. नहीं भैया, मैं भैया यहाँ सवाल नहीं, I'm not. No, listen, please, 1 second, please respect what I'm saying. I have come here to give a clear message. I'm not interested in answering questions that are designed to divert the issue. No. Please listen to me. I have made my statement. Thank you very much.